All right, welcome back to another video, everyone. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the iDiskk E11A truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today, in today's video, I'm going to go over how I feel about the overall fit and comfort of these headphones. And then I'm going to talk about how I feel about the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones. And then I'm going to give you guys and gals two audio tests. The first audio test is going to be a leakage test, and then the second audio test is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys and gals find it helpful. And without further ado, let's jump straight in. So starting off here, let's talk about the overall fit and feel and comfort level of the headphones. Now, in terms of the fit, y'all can see I have the headphones fully closed because I'm a big fan of that compressed fit style. I like it when the headphones fit snug on my head. Okay, so that's how I have it set up, fully in the closed position. And then if I turn to my left, giving y'all a shot of the right ear cup. The right ear cup is the ear cup with all of the button controls on it, right there, so you can see. And then if I turn to my right and give y'all a shot of the left ear cup, you can see the left ear cup is completely clean. Okay? And then looking from the front profile, you can see you have that traditional headphone front profile. All right? And in terms of the overall comfort level of the headphones, I have to say the overall comfort for these headphones is actually pretty good. I've had no issues wearing these headphones for extended sessions. I've even had no issues falling asleep with these headphones on. So in terms of the overall comfort level of these headphones, I would have to say it is top-notch. Top-notch indeed. All right. Moving on now, let's get into our audio sample test here. Let's go. The first test we're going to do is a leakage test. Now, for reference, I want to let everyone know I do have the headphones connected up to my iPhone 11, okay? And I do have the volume set to 100% volume, as you can see right there. I'll have all the necessary B-roll, okay, thrown up in post. And I'll have all the links that I put in this video like I always do. So links to the copyright-free music, links to my extended coverage, and links to where y'all can pick up the headphones at some really great prices via my affiliate links will all be down below in the video description. All right? So without further ado, let's press play and let's get into the first audio sample test. Let's get into the leakage test. Now, also for reference, I'm using my professional clip-on wireless audio here today, and y'all can see it's less than a foot away from my mouth, and it's less than a foot away from the headphones. So any leakage that come off of the headphones should easily be able to get picked up by my professional microphones here. Just for reference. All right, let's go ahead and push play now. Let's go. Let me be quiet and see if the mics can pick up anything. Here we go. Okay, that should do it. Let me pause this. All right, so real quick leakage test there. Now, before I get into the last audio test for everyone, I just want to go ahead and share my opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of these headphones. And I'll be sure to reiterate this again in the full review for these headphones. But let's dive right in. So talking about the overall sound quality, in my opinion, the sound quality on these headphones is top-notch. There's no tweaking, rattling, or distortion on the lower ends or the high ends of the volume spectrum. That's why, at least to my ears, I would say the sound quality on these is top notch. Now, jumping over to the volume. The volume on these headphones, in my opinion, is top notch as well. I can easily immerse myself in whatever I'm doing with the headphones and have an enjoyable experience. So once again, the volume on these is top notch. Now, jumping over to that all-important bass. And before I give my opinions on the bass, I want to give this disclaimer. I am not in the audio industry. I'm not in the music industry. I'm just a self-proclaimed tech lover, aka a tech junkie, and a lover of all things bass related. So for me, your Bluetooth products have to hit. They have to be punchy, and I gotta feel that bass and that grit. You know what I'm saying? That bass has gotta hit, make me feel it and be like, woo! Yeah, that's how it gotta be. Now, in terms of the bass on these headphones, I have to say it's just good. Now, it does hit a little bit, like you can notice it, it's there, but it's lacking punch and it's lacking grit. So overall, in my opinion, I feel as though the bass on these is just good. Okay, it definitely needs some improvements. All right, so that goes over my opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these. Let's rewind the track, and now let me attempt to give you guys and gals an audio sample to the best of my ability. Let's go. So let me push play. And I'm going to hold these up to the mics now and give y'all a nice audio sample. Let's go. Hold it up right here. And we'll do this for 30 seconds, starting now.
Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, this feels right. Said we can meet it when it starts. Yeah, it's going for time. Sun's about to go down. So what you do?
Let me give y'all an extra 10.
It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew. Wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you.
Okay, that should be good. Put these back on. Let's pause the music. All right, guys and gals, and that does it for this fit and sound demo with the iDiskk E11A truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Today's video was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Today's video was also recorded in 4K at 30 FPS, and we are using professional clip-on wireless audio here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, also remember, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can see more extended coverage on these headphones, all my extended coverage on these headphones will be available down below in the video description. And if this video piqued your interest, all my affiliated buy links will be available down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, if you make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated buy links, in my opinion, are like a win-win for everyone, and that makes the video description a one-stop shop for everyone, and you guys and gals should be good to go. All right, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right.